How to sell crypto on Coinbase. Open Coinbase on your device. Once you do this, you can just go ahead and explore any assets, or if you have of your own, just go ahead and tap on buy and sell. Or else just go ahead and go to assets. You can explore all cryptos. Go ahead and tap on the asset or the crypto you want to sell. After you do this, go ahead and tap on buy and sell on the bottom left hand corner. Once you do this, tap on sell. If you have crypto, you can easily sell it. And if you're not in the correct country or the reason for it, such messages will come up. So the easiest way to sell the crypto on Coinbase is to open the app. You can tap on buy and sell, tap on sell, and if you have the crypto, you can easily sell it. Go ahead and do this and you can now sell your crypto. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.